morning everyone, welcome to the show. I am Gérard the French chef, and I teach classic French cooking with fun on my YouTube channel. And I usually give you a lot of hints and secrets on the traditional French cooking. If you enjoy learning about this great classical French recipe, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And don't forget to click on the little icon, the little bell icon, that will let you know each time I release a new video. Today I'm going to do something different. Guess what? I am going to do a magic trick. Yes. Transforming this liquid white cream into a solid golden bar of butter. Just with my fingers and the press of a button. Watch. We are going to make our own butter just with cream. One ingredient only, cream. It's easy to do. First thing to do is to pour the cream in a mixer. I use Dairy Farmer pure cream, 35% of fat. You notice I'm not using the thickened cream. Sometimes they got gelatine in it and I can change or affect the taste. That's it. And as I said before, the magic with one finger, what you do, you turn the button. Firstly on slow, you don't want to splash and dirty the kitchen. There we go. Now you can increase the speed of the mixer. Just for the little story, I'll show you now. We got the stage of whipped cream. We call it the crème chantilly. This recipe was first invented in the 17th century for a king party in a castle in Chantilly, a town north of Paris. Now I'll show you at this stage, your chantilly is broken. It starts to becoming grainy, and that's very good. Oh, look what we got now. Look in the bottom. Now we got the magic. I got my butter. And in the bottom of the pot, you can see the white substance. It's called the buttermilk. That's it. Our butter is ready there, and we're going to wash it. Okay, we're going to filter this beautiful butter. Okay, we try to remove this gold butter, which is already hard. Magnificent butter. And we're going to wash it. Now, I'm going to clean now, okay, the whisk to remove all the butter. All right. And we're going to filter the buttermilk and keep it in a little jar in the fridge. Okay, just like that. Easy. Yeah, as you can see, we got a little jar, we call that the buttermilk. And with that you can make a pancake and waffles, muffins, whatever. And much more. Okay. Now we're going to wash this butter, okay, and form with 2 spoons or by hand and with glove. Okay, we'll see. We need to wash with cold water. I'll be using ice cube I use this filtered water because like that I'm sure we won't have any taste of bleach that sometimes in some can or some countries it tastes the bleach. So this water is filtered and it will be very good to obtain a beautiful butter with a lot of flavor. What we're going to do now, put some water, and as you can see, the butter is a bit white. See, the water is white, so we need to clean it. Okay, so I do by hand. And if you want to keep your butter longer in your fridge, I suggest you to use gloves. Okay, when that's finished, you wash once, you throw away, and you start second batch of water. And as you can see, now the water become very clear. Just discard the water, okay? Oh. And the third and last wash should be good. And as you can see, the water is clean. Okay, so our business of butter is finished. Going to drain in a cloth and put that in the fridge, and the butter is finished. Okay, done. The magical is done. Now we drain the butter in a cheesecloth and we try to extract the excess of water. Okay, by now our butter and a golden bar is ready. Oh, beauty. Look at that. And that smells beautiful. Now you make your little lingot of gold. The little lingot you put in a paper and try to make a little like that. I promise you to get a lingot, a golden lingot. That was liquid and now the magic is solid. But why not to try what we did? And now we have to try this little butter. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, nice. It's on a little piece of bread. Oh, nice. And delicately. Oh, beautiful. Look at this texture. Yeah, yummy. Oh, nice. Puts nice butter. Oh, it's spread very well. Ooh. Ooh, yummy. Rich flavor. This butter is delicious. You're gonna to really love it. Au revoir. And I'm sure you're going to do it yourself very well. And if you like this video, remember, you can click on the link below, just below, and see the list of my previous French video, croissant, brioche, and much more. Okay? Beurre bourguignon, tarte tatin. Alright? Enjoy the program, and especially enjoy the butter with all your patisserie. Friends, see you later in another video. No, I must admit, this recipe is easy. Well, the little packet of cream, 600 mils, and then you got your butter. One ingredient, and guess what? You get your own butter. It's good if one day you forget, you run out of cream. No, if you run out of butter, yeah, you do your butter with the cream. And if you have a party, you got too much cream, don't throw in a bin, don't throw in the freezer, it does not freeze, and you can make a little bit of butter. Oh, goody. And as I promised you, I did the magic. I transformed this liquid, white liquid, into a golden butter, golden bar. See you later.